Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel and also a little family freecourses.com. I know guys, if for a long timing I does not upload any video. Okay, because I think that okay, I am starting a series of the free courses. Okay guys, so it will totally everything is depend on your love. Okay, so guys, please comment me. At first, I am telling you that things. Please, guys, please comment me if you need any course, okay, or you need any type of webinar or any type of help from me. Okay, I try my best to help you guys. Okay, I am always to you for help. Okay, guys, please let's start it our today's video. So first one is the Python programming for basics to advanced level. You all know that this is the very common course. But hold on, guys. This course, one thing, this course is the newly updated. Okay, in 2021. So that's why I'm including this course. Okay, many of those are new in my channel or in my family. Okay, all my viewers or those who are subscribers, all are my family members. So that's a, if you are anyone is the new one in my family, so go to this course. Okay, this is a very good course guys, because the rating is very good, 4.4 out of 5. Okay, and move on to the next one. This is the Docker course for beginners. Okay, those who are quite interested in data science and development field. Okay, this is a very important course for those persons. Okay, if you learn the basics about Docker, how the Docker image management, how the basics of Docker file, Docker container management. If you notice in this picture, if you see, it is a blue whale which carrying some containers. Okay, some boxes. Okay, this is that. Okay, those who are quite interested to learn Docker course for beginners. This course is for absolute beginners. Okay, if you know you does not know about the if you are a beginner in Docker course, go to this course there. It is a very good beginner course for you. Okay, so move on to the next one. Next one is the machine learning, which is the highest demanded. Okay, not only for today's time, it will be much demanded and always in demand in the future also, guys. So that's why, guys, it is a very important course. It is a sorry, it is a 3 hours crash course, guys, from basics to advanced level. Okay, they will learn or they will teach you the every algorithm in Python, because Python is a highly demanded programming language and it is very easy to use. It is very similar to the English programming language. So that's why Python is most of the areas Python is used. Okay, because the syntax is very easy and it is a less number of code. You write less number of code. Okay, so go to this course if you quite interested to learn machine learning. Okay, if you are a beginner, does not worry, guys. Go to this course. I hope you does not. Okay, I hope you does not worried from this, upset from me. Okay, so next one is the, it is in the natural language processing. Those who are, it is mainly which is the roboting field. Okay, it will be slightly inside in the area of robotics. Okay, if you are quite interested how to the natural in the NLP means natural language processing, and how you can analyze the data. Okay, how you can sentiment analysis, how you can write the our own sentiment analysis code in Python. I mean that, guys, robot is a, it is a artificial, it's not a human being. Okay, because we are the human beings, we have our own sentiments, own emotions. Okay, so how you can include, okay, how you can conclude or you can say inserted this type of emotions, sentiments into a robotics through a programming language or through a language processor. So this course telling you this type of things. Okay, though I am telling you guys, if you are quite interested to learn about something called as robotics, or if you quite interested in this kind of field, go to this course. It's a very good course for you. Okay, move on to the next one, and you also get the certificate. It is a not a new thing. Okay, next one is the HTML5 ultimate course. Okay, if you're quite interested in web development, because web development is always in high. Okay, because every company need a web developer. Okay, you also a web developer and go to the freelancing jobs. Okay, so it is a high demanding course, guys. Go to, because HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. Okay, these are the basics tools and these are the basics frameworks. And JavaScript is a programming language which is use commons. Okay, in your web development, if you are quite interested to go to this web development field. Okay, so next one is the, it is a 6 hours course. Next one is the computer vision with Python. Okay, This course is the totally in the IT and software field. Okay, so how you can the techniques means the manipulate and open images with NumPy. NumPy is a nothing but it is a package which is used mainly in Python. Okay, for arrays. Okay, we normal those who are quite interested, those who are quite interested in Python, or those who are quite know about this Python language. Okay, those who are quite know about this Python language, the NumPy is mainly used for arrays. Okay, array is nothing but the similar collection of data item. Okay, so draw the sharps on images and videos with the OpenCV. Okay, use the OpenCV to work with the image files. Okay, this type of things will tell you in this course. Okay, if you're quite interested for it, go to this course. So move on to the next one, guys. Bootstrap 4 for ultimate course. This is another important course for web development. If you looking for, if you quite interested to going to this web development field, or if you think that no, after 2 hours after 2 years later I am I am going to this web development field, I am telling you guys, enroll this course as soon as possible, because this is a very good course. Okay, not only the rating part is quite good. Okay, and this course is lastly updated for 2021 fully English language. Okay, and I am personally visit this course. This course is very good. Okay, they teach you the small things, okay, in very descriptive way. Okay, so that's why go to this course. Move on to the next one, guys. Next one is the search engine optimization complete specialization course. This is a SEO, search engine optimization, in the nothing but the in marketing, totally in marketing field, how you can Google search engine. Okay, every day a lot of data will be generated. 3 billion data will be generated at every day. Okay, so because at if you stuck any problem, if you suppose if you doing some work. Okay, if you stuck any type of problem or any type of error, you go to this Google and search this corresponding what is the solution of it. Okay, so that's why how you can uh, better your search experience. Okay, these type of things are taught or teach in this course, search engine optimization complete specialization course. Okay, so that's why, guys, 2 days left at this price. Yeah, after watching my video, go to this course as soon as possible. Okay, so next one is the AngularJS. This is another important tool which is used in the web development field. Okay, complete guide, guys. This course is newly updated. 50,000 students are already enrolled, but I am personally go to this course. Okay, because this is another. I hope you all will learn about the mean and MERN. These two types of thing. Mean is mainly A for AngularJS. Okay, one for which is the React. Okay, React for. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, I hope you all will know. If you does not know about this, please comment me. Okay, I am upload this type of the different I am uploading this corresponding video. Okay, so AngularJS is another important framework which is using the web development field. Okay, so move on to the next one. It is the SEO training 2021 complete SEO course plus WordPress and SEO Quest. Okay, so it is a SEO for search engine optimization. This guy is a very good guy. Okay, in this corresponding field. Okay, you also go to this type of course if you're quite interested in marketing and how this search engine optimization do and how is it works. Okay, move on to the next one. AWS Services for Solutions Architect Associate 2021. This course is another good course. Okay, if you're looking for any type of AWS, means nothing but the Amazon Web Services. If you this type of certification, if you get this type of certification, go to this course. Okay. So move on to the next one, Adobe Premium. This course, this is a boom course, guys. This is a this is I am telling you guys, this is a very limited edition course. Adobe Premium Pro CC video editing course, beginner to the pro level. So 5 hours crash course, guys. Go to this course. Okay, if you quite interested to learn how this Adobe Photoshop done and how the editing works will be work in very good way. Okay, and learn the video editing in Adobe Premium Pro with correction, color grading, professional video editing practices. Okay, go to this course. Move on to the sorry, the last one but not the least. Improve your English by listening movies. This is another important thing. Okay, those who are like me, those who are not but that much better in English, or in English to telling or to express your emotions, your I mean that to express your emotions, your words into the English. Go to this course, how you can learn English by watching movies, by listening movies, by watching movies. Okay, by using mainly I am not again, if you watch these subtitles, okay, which is coming at the bottom of the film, okay, at the bottom of the film, at the bottom of this film, okay, uh, learning it, okay, you watch it, okay, learning it, you will be learn from English, or express yourself, always express yourself. Okay, so it is another important course. Okay guys, thank you to all of you to with me till this end. Okay, please guys, please share this video. Okay, as much as possible. Please share this video guys. Okay, please comment me if you stuck, if you got stuck any type of issue. Okay, for according to this in this type of for any type of free courses, if you get, you need any type of free courses, I try my best to upload this course. Okay, so that's why guys, please comment me. Okay, so thank you to all of you once again.